So today we did some sketching in the morning to decide what our prototype is going to look like. We voted on elements of what we might want to include. We've come up with an interface, and we spent the afternoon working out what it's going to be like for our testers going through their first user journey of the app. And it's thrown up some of the questions that we haven't had to think about for months now, which is what it's actually going to be like for users to use the app. And coming back to those after several weeks of intense strategy and taking the product design back to the user problem was interesting. It's interesting to see what we keep, it's interesting to see what we don't keep, and I'm excited to see what it's going to look like once you put it all together.
Certainly our concept of what the UI would be like and what the user flow is like is very different from what it was when we first came into this program, really what it was when we first started, which was the last time we really looked at UI and user journeys. And a lot of the concepts that we've been developing, a lot of the processes as well of understanding your audience and separating things out have really fed into this process today. It's been difficult, but today's been really fun, seeing things start to take more shape, or take shape again, because the whole process of something like this is taking your concept, pulling it apart, exploring all the options, all the untested hypotheses, all the assumptions, and now we're in the phase where we're starting to pull it back together after we've disassembled everything. So it's exciting.
It is. And the next phase is put it in the hands of some users and see how they interact with it and begin to work out iterations and feedback loops back from there.